going tripping. I brought I smell a hot dog, bro. Who cooking hot dogs out here? Hot dog with some ketchup. Yo, it's a wooden house. Is that a tree house? Yo, bro, is that a tree house? We here?
We gotta put batteries in there.
Batteries?
Might as well just sit up here and...
Hey.
Batteries! Yeah, 2 of them.
Stay in Rwanda? I've been here for, I think, 2 days, I think. I landed last night.
Take these.
What's your
170. Be alright for now.
Yeah, is there water? We are working hard. I'm working hard with no calories right now. All I had was that 4-ounce chicken. At a... Huh? Thank you. Just stay in school, okay? Are you ready?
Anthony's gonna take...
What, he's taking the camera now?
Past 5, right?
It's 5:30.
Me and Anthony, we could have it nowadays.
Well, he went full day yesterday.
Yeah. That's because it's too hectic to get a change on. The 2 times I went to go take the camera, you guys ran off.
All right, calm.
I'll get it on you.
Ready? Put the headset on. All right, we out. Oh, shit. This way?
Wait.
What, that's water? Sparkling water? Water, any water would do.
Hi,
I'm Akuro. Hey, what y'all doing here?
They are in the church.
Y'all at church?
Yeah, they're in the church.
Are y'all good? Y'all good in school?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
They all sing. They all happy to see you.
Yes, we are happy to see you.
Do you know him? What's his name?
I should fit.
Wow.
They know me.
Yes.
Y'all know me for real. All right, y'all. Peace out, y'all. Stay school. All right.
Okay. Yeah, you're going to learn to milk a cow.
What?
Milk. Yeah.
Ooh.
You can even explain some more traditional.
Huh?
This way?
I'm bit.
Okay, okay. The cow is down there.
He's fine right now. He's drinking that. Speak, you want still?
Nah, I'm drinking it sparkling right now.
How are you? You are welcome.
What's your name?
How are you?
What's your name?
My name is Nzitonda.
Zitona?
Nzitonda.
Zitona?
Yes.
Zitona. Nice to meet you, Zitona. My name's John.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, this is Rwanda.
This is Rwanda.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
So, this is a cow. This place called Uruhongore. Uruhongore is where cows live, make all these experiences. So now you're going to try the milk cow. The guy who's going to take you through the process is here.
This inside we call Uruhongore Academy.
Uruhongore Academy.
Uruhongore.
Okay.
Uruhongore means where awimita viva inyana ntoya.
Yeah,
In Kazi.
Uruhongore means where cow stays. Where
Yes.
cow.
Yes.
So a den, basically.
Yeah.
A den.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's do it. Shit, let's do it.
Umuntu uri mufashe gukaminga ari hano.
Duhai. We know Duhai.
Okay. He's good. We are ready.
Let's do it.
Yeah. It's
Let's go.
Inka iri here YouTube kamera.
Kamingotanya.
Okay. You said you can pick the best cow you like and then milk that
This
one.
one and this one, no problem.
I want to make the black and white one.
He wants to milk.
Why it smell like milk?
Yes. Ingotanya.
It's called Imotanyi.
Yes.
Okay.
It
this
smell
cow
like
can-
milk. What?
Umuntu uri buze
Dani
gukama
Jansi.
yakihuta.
Ihute wo.
Ana, uyu muhungu kagenda horo.
Ihute.
Moo. Wait, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming over. Moo. Moo. Moo.
So he's facilitating the baby cow and then he's coming.
Moo. Moo. Hey, baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Those are babies of this cow you're going to milk.
This is a baby?
Yeah. That's a baby.
Why are you so scared? It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. What do I do? Moo. Oh, ah, God damn it. Damn it. Oh, you got to do that? Oh, just do that. Wait, I'm not milking him, am I? Moo. Okay,
You can go there and
okay.
The black and white, as they have already made it, maybe we can try the second one. Which way, please?
How do I get in?
Nanyurongo.
I get in right here?
Can try to sneak. Can he sneak? There.
You can pass there. No problem. Don't worry.
Yeah. The
Moo.
other one.
Okay. Go
The
there.
second
I'm milking this one?
No, the second one. They have already finished this one. So,
This one?
yes, that's fine. So maybe I need to come close to you and I explain.
Yo, is you,
Uh-huh.
so you get in?
Also one already.
So,
Yeah, come in, bro.
Try. Do
so
that. Sit. Sit.
Hold on, I'm waiting for him. I'm waiting for him.
that's fine. Thank you. Wowe yireteje kujya kuraho amataza.
Down. Manuka chat.
I think you should just hop over next time. Gotta go low. Okay. Oh, God. Yep. Oh, my.
Not hold like this. Like this.
Like that?
Yeah. You see? Yeah.
Oh, my. Oh. Oh, my God, I'm doing it.
You doing it?
Oh, my God.
Again, right chance.
Again, they like touching the.
Like that? Like that?
Yeah, it's going through. The milk is coming. Can you try the other one of the?
Oh, one of it? Another one?
Yeah. So you see if the.
I know, but this was small, though. It's hard to, like,
Try the other one.
this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Watch.
And any come.
Try to take it down. Yeah, all the way down. Yeah, all the way down. Yeah. Yeah. Bikore kurura akandi ari kureba. Mubikorere rimwe. Okay, he's going to show you how it stands. You see?
You do it fast.
See, you need to do like this. And then,
Yo, you're a professional at this.
yeah. Now you're going to go. He said he wants you to try it like this.
All right, let me lock in, Dan. Let me lock in. It's time to milk a cow for real. All right. Okay. All right, okay. Let me try, brother. Okay. You want to show off? I can show off too. Let me lock in, bro. That's mine.
Ready?
Okay. What, bro? How do you? Nah, bro. No.
It's like this.
So it's like squeezing.
Oh, you squeeze it like that.
Then he has this
Like this.
thing and the thing, yes.
Wamufata ukuboko ukamwereka uburyo akora ukuboko. Mufata ukuboko umwereka uburyo ugira gutyo. Wamwereka ukora hariya.
noneho umureke nawe yicare wenyine.
Teach me the technique.
You can sit and
Mwereka
do
akaboko.
yourself.
Mukora akaboko. Mufata akaboko. Mufata ikiganza.
I think the cow's done.
Ntabwo ari kutwumva uyu muntu. Wamubwiye akamufata
Mufata
ikiganza
ikiganza.
akamwereka.
Mufate ikiganza.
Okay. You want to hold your
Don't
hand
worry.
so he can show you exact how it's done. And it's very easy.
Wait, because
That's the birds.
birds? Why do they sound like that?
One and bird.
Like this? Like. Oh, like that.
See, like try to go all the way down, then you.
Oh,
You know, that's by Lee.
I get it.
Wow.
I get it. How many milk does he got in there? All right, chat.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. I think I'm done milking the cow.
Okay.
I think we had enough of milking the cow, right? All right, chat. Let's not just keep milking cows. But I milked the cow in Rwanda. Do y'all do that all the time here?
Yeah. It's culture. And you will love milk. One is nice.
1, 2, up.
No one to try again?
Huh?
Enough.
No, I had enough of milking cow. It looked like the weather's getting bad. And we might need to hurry up and continue to stream. You see that wind?
Yeah.
You see the clouds?
But they want you to try the milk.
You can try the milk.
You can just
Try the milk.
Yes.
Ayo mata agerageza ari hehe?
We don't. Hey, we gotta hurry up and go. We gotta finish the stream, bro.
Let me lead the way.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes. Thank you very much.
Sakinato, thank you.
Wakoze cyane.
Thank you.
Thank you means Murakoze in Kinyarwanda. Murakoze.
Ah,
And
bro, chat, look, bro, it's about to rain. Why does it look like it's about to rain?
Gumanga, you can drink milk. You can drink. You can drink milk.
Fresh cow's milk before you leave. Really good for you.
My stomach might tweak out. I'm lactose tolerant.
Okay.
I'm lactose tolerant.
Okay. Thank
I'm lactose tolerant.
That's fine.
And it might so basically when I shit and I try to drink milk, it makes it dry and it makes it create scratches in the holes in my yeah. So that's why I don't drink milk. I drink almond milk from almond cows. Yeah. If you got an almond cow, I'll drink it from there.
Yes.
You got an almond cow?
Yes.
Okay, all right, then, yeah. If you got that milk, I can drink that milk.
They are the,
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. I can drink that.
Yes. You can take.
Is it almond?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, bet. Bring it. Yeah. If it's almond,
Press.
I can bring the almond.
Yes,
If it's almond, it's fine. I didn't know I had almond ones.
You can bring it. Or drink here.
Yeah. Is it almond?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, it's almond? Okay, bet. All right, bet. Chat.
Yeah, it's fresh. Like,
It's almond?
yeah, it's all milk.
Oh, okay. All right, bet. All right,
It's
bet.
cold.
Say less. I'll take a little sip of that mug then.
I don't think it's almond milk.
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
It's all milk.
This is fresh.
fresh.
It's also cool. It's
That's great.
It's good.
You can also
You
try.
can also try.
This almond, yeah, it's almond milk.
I think they're saying it's all milk.
No. It's all milk.
Is it good milk?
Is
Yeah,
it?
it's all milk. Like, you
Let's
can
have-
also try.
Let's taste some. What
You
milk
ta-
is
you
it?
also taste.
It's good.
What's it from?
It's good milk.
Okay,
already
we
prepared them.
It's good milk. That milk good.
tried it, so it's fine.
It's good milk.
Not from like from the cow directly.
From the cows.
Yeah. No, it's almond milk.
Yeah, it's all milk.
Drink it.
Also in the fridge.
It's almond milk. You cool.
Almond milk?
Yeah.
How is it you taste?
It's cool.
You can also taste.
It's good.
you so
Good
much.
milk. Very good milk. Thank you. Thank you.
Going for traditional.
Bro, it's raining, bro. We gotta hurry up. We gotta hurry up. We gotta hurry up and go.
Tradition food is secured, so we won't have to worry for the rating and all that.
Oh my gosh. Why is it about to rain?
Good practice.
What?
They're aimed in the booth.
Let's get it. 47. Oh my God, 7,000 subs away from 47.7.